nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make this super easy no-bake tuna melt. It's spicy and oh so cheesy. It's really good for that afternoon snack. And now, let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, let's flatten our breads. Since we do not have a rolling pin, I just improvised. I flattened it using my hydro flask.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Once done, it should look like this. Then, beat the eggs and set it aside. Now, let's remove the oil that came with the tuna. Next, combine the drained tuna, onions and mayonnaise. Mix everything together. Then, let's now cut the sliced cheese in half. Now, crush the sky flakes. Put it on a plate.
这一次我真的睡着了。
We can now place the cheese and tuna in the middle of the bread. Close out the edges by putting a little bit of water.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Then, soak it in the beaten eggs. Then, roll it on the crushed sky flakes.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Just as simple as that. Now cook it in oil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip it and cook it for another 3 minutes. Wait for it to turn golden brown. After a total of 6 minutes, we can now remove it from the heat. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. After a few minutes, we can now enjoy this tasty tuna melt. So delicious and easy to make. Try it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy cooking ideas.